What's up, guys? Welcome to my latest listing located at 3515 Descenda Drive in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This home is located in the Kingsbury subdivision, and it is absolutely freaking amazing. I can't wait to show you. Come on, let's go check it out. There is so much to love about this house. It features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 2,474 square feet. It also has a screened-in back patio and a huge fenced-in backyard. I also absolutely love this open concept floor plan. You've got this beautiful living room with tons of windows, so there's all sorts of light pouring in, a nice fireplace with your TV over the mantle, and then right behind you is the kitchen area and the dining area. So it's like a really nice space to hang out with your family or your friends and just eat some dinner and maybe catch a game. Another thing I absolutely love is the upstairs. The upstairs features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a laundry room. And there's a little loft right there for you to hang out as well. 2 of the bedrooms have their own bathroom, and then the other 2 share a Jack and Jill. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Once again, this is 3515 Descenda Drive in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. It's located in the Kingsbury neighborhood, which is a newer neighborhood that was built by Crescent Homes. They've got a beautiful neighborhood pool, a little playground, and then talk about an amazing location. This neighborhood is located right off of Medical Center Parkway. So you have all sorts of shopping and dining, and it is so convenient to I-24. You are like literally 5 minutes from getting onto I-24. So if you're somebody that travels into Nashville or the airport on a regular basis, this is absolutely perfect. Guys, my name is Matt Bogosian. If you're interested in this home, please schedule a tour today.